Alright guys, so here's how I cut the pipes. So this one I already put the shark bite with a valve. So this is another one. I sanded it a bit where the shark bite valve will go. So it's fairly easy. All you do is just take this, put it on top, and then it snaps in. You will hear like a click, and that's how easy it is. That's it. The flooring has been completely removed, so I went ahead and bought OSB that's gonna go here, and then on top of that whole thing I'm gonna put a 1/2 inch plywood. Then on top of that we're gonna put the vinyl planks. So the 1/2 inch plywood is gonna give excellent strength. You don't need to put vapor barrier or anything or concrete board. It's just it's a less traffic area and it's just a powder room. I guess now will be a good time to do paint the walls. Then you can put your flooring. So I'll do that next. So now I'm doing the paint job. What I have is just a nice small tub or bucket, and then I got a roller, and then I just put this inside, get some paint on it, and roll it over this grill mesh, and then you just want to do nice and gentle rolls like that. Just want to keep going up and down the nice smooth strokes. I've already painted the edges. I'll be painting the whole room with actually this one light gray color. I'll finish the paint job, I guess, and then we'll see how it looks. Okay, so what I have here is a piece of cardboard, and I'm using this to cut out a template around that area. As you can see, I've already made cuts. So the reason why I'm using a template is I don't have to measure how far the pipes are and everything, then work around that. So it's easy. I just use the cardboard. Even if I make a mistake, you know, it's not a problem. I can adjust it. I'm gonna go put that template over a piece of plywood and cut based on that. All right, so I cut the OSB and it actually turned out pretty good. So as you can see, it's perfectly around the edges, and I mark places where I'm going to put screws. So I'm putting 4 on this side, 4 on that side. You don't have to go crazy because this is not a traffic area and the vanity is floating. So this the whole purpose of this is to make these two surfaces nice and flat. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put screws and I'll show you guys what's next. So here's the, I've cut out the template that's going to go around the sink hole, the toilet hole, and the hose for the toilet. I might put a piece in the back this way, and this is just a rough cutout. So over here I might go in a little bit, maybe 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch, just to make it nice and tight. And you can do a circular hole or you can do a square, doesn't matter, and I'll do that. I went ahead and put the plywood over all the floor. As you can see, that piece I just put a piece, I mean, just for, I guess, filling the gap, you can say. I also went ahead and nailed every foot this way and that way by nails. You don't have to go crazy, I mean. And you also want to make sure, you know, things are level. So as you can see, it's very perfect, nice and straight, level between here and here. If I measure, it's nice and level. So I mean, I'm gonna measure diagonally and it's level. So that means we did a good job. So now, we have a nice perfect flat surface. we can start and put our vinyl planks.